Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Siti Sarah binti Idris. My metric number is BABL 190558281. In this video, I will talk about keeping exotic animal as a pet for the cause animal behavior and welfare. The code of this course is ASH25203. So, what is exotic pet? Exotic pets are wild and not domesticated. Examples of exotic pets are such as snakes, parrots, iguanas, turtles, and even beaver. People may seek the companionship of pets, yet rather than settle for domesticated animals like cats and dogs, they may decide to own members of more exotic species. Even with the best of intention, most owners of exotic pets simply cannot provide adequate environmental arrangement for captive wild animals that are unsuited for being pets. So this is some example of how exotic pets are treated. Nocturnal animals like solaris and sugar gliders that come truly alive only at night are pet all day long and carried around in a bags as if they were inanimate toys. The winged bird like hornbills that love to take to the skies in the wide wind are spending all their time tethered to a post. Exotic pets need space. Lack of space restricts natural movement and suppress normal behavior. Many exotic pets are kept in a space that allows only a limited ability to move around, and many animals are so severely confined and restricted that they are forced into a state of almost perpetual idleness. Lack of movement and exercise caused by lack of space can also result in physical deterioration, such as general loss of fitness and problems such as obesity, skeletal disorder, decreased muscle mass, friction sores, and lesion. But physical health problems are not all the animals have to deal with it. Being forced to sit, lie, or stand the majority of the time may lead to the unpleasant emotional state and psychological issues. Need for a proper social environment. Many social exotic animals are kept as a pet, and a large number of animals are kept in social isolation. Parrots, monkeys, wallabies, and other special animals are often sold separately and left alone for how long they can survive with their keepers. For example, new science reveals that many smaller animals, including reptiles and fish, may have complex social life. The social needs of exotic animals are aspects of proper housing and care that are often overlooked or neglected. The cost of owning an exotic pet is highly dependent on the species, but for anyone who trying to keep an exotic pet in a way that truly meets their various needs, the price is significant. It is cheap to take care of exotic animals poorly, but expensive to take care of them properly. Therefore, the expenses of providing an exotic animals in the best possible way can have huge implications for its well-being. Some exotic pets also have difficulty when becoming aggressive or are too dangerous to handle because of their size or other physical traits such as claws or sharp teeth. Instead of trying to provide more satisfying conditions to alleviate problematic problems, exotic pets keepers often choose to keep their animals confined all the time in a cage or on moorings, or they may take other more radical measures such as a surgery or removal of the teeth. We must know that wild animals owned as a pet are also reduced to living with an inadequate or poor quality of the diet. Insectivores like lories are often fed with fruits and grains or worse, sweet treats that can damage their teeth and ruin their health. Pet snakes are one of examples of exotic pets that are often abandoned after their owners get bored, eventually killing birds and other wildlife. Any release or escape introduced species will compete with the native species for food and territory and cause local ecological imbalance. Many animals die of shock, stress, illness, and injury during capture, transport, transit, and captivity. For example, baby turtles are sealed shut in their shells for transport, and the slow loris have their teeth and claws clipped without anesthesia. Slow loris population in the wild are rapidly declining due to the high demand in the pet trade. In 2015, a flurry of cute YouTube videos of slow loris eating rice ball highlight how social media engenders trade in the creatures, depleting their population in the wild and putting individuals animals at the risk of mistreatment. So the conclusion that I can make here is that the animals are actually not suitable to be kept as a pet because it can harm the animals as well as human. I know that a lot of people love to own exotic pets, but we need to consider and think carefully when we want them. Can they adapt to the new environment? Can we take care of them properly by providing suitable shelter and controlling their diet by providing suitable food? And also, can we keep them from being infected by any dangerous diseases which can pose a danger to other animals as well as humans? So think carefully before you make decision. So that's all for me. Thank you.